The Google Finance function provides free real-time stock data for 50,000 plus securities worldwide. No API key needed, just a formula. Google Finance pulls live price, volume, market cap, PE ratio, and 52-week ranges. It also retrieves historical data as a date price array for any ticker. We set up the core data feed for your portfolio. A holdings table tracks ticker, shares, purchase price, and purchase date. Calculated columns show current value, gain/loss in dollars and percent, and daily change, all updating automatically. A pie chart shows portfolio allocation by sector or holding. A line chart plots historical portfolio value using Google Finance historical data. Both charts update as prices change throughout the day. I build the complete portfolio tracker with 10 sample holdings, demonstrating live price updates, gain calculations, allocation charts, and a summary dashboard, all running in real time in Google Sheets. Stop paying for portfolio tracking apps when Google Sheets does it for free. Make a copy from the description and subscribe for more finance spreadsheet projects.